Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1971 Dodge Charger RT 446 pack, and this is by M2 Machines, and this one is limited to 9,000 pieces worldwide, and this one is the rusted edition. So yeah, so this is actually my very first M2. I just loved that paint scheme on this one. It's just the rusted one, so I bought it. So let's just unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so this one doesn't have any artwork, it just says Dodge. Okay, let's just put this aside for a minute. Okay, so it came off really easy. So just give me a minute guys, let me just unscrew this car and let's look at it. So here is the base. So it has some nice texture to it, like a shop floor. And let me just put this aside for a minute and let's look at the car. Okay guys, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are, this casting is really heavy. It is very heavy. So compared to Mini GT or even Pop Race or even Hot Wheels Premium, this casting is really a heavy one. So the paint job looks really nice. It is a rusted blue actually. Again, this whole casting is made of metal, and I think this one part is made of plastic. Not sure why they do that. There is one more car which we unboxed, the Chevy Camaro SS, if I'm not wrong, SS 350. So that one had this plastic thingy here, near the rear wheel. So the detailing looks pretty nice. So here also the tail lights are actually, I think it's painted, I guess. No, there is something behind it. It's not exactly painted. So they put something behind on top of that. This grill is here. Not sure if you guys can able to see it here. Actually, you need to watch it very closely. Yeah, there is something behind that one. And that one is really nice actually. So here in the front, the logo placement is really nice. It's embossed, it's not painted or anything. So the intake actually is like, there is no slot, hole or anything here, but it still looks really nice. So in this part here, it's a bit embossed, but it is painted on top of it. So let me just try to open the hood. I know it is openable. Yeah, got it. Okay, it says 6-pack. So the detailing looks really nice. Okay, it has openable doors as well. So this one is also a left-hand drive. So all American cars are actually left-hand drive, since you guys have a different set of traffic rules compared to us in India. Okay, here this piece is actually plastic. I think this one is one single mold in the interior. This specific, this windshield, both front and rear and everything. and the tires are actually made of rubber. The rims looks pretty nice. Okay, I don't see any irregularities in this one. So far this, out of the 4 which we unboxed, so this is a very first one which I really loved the most, and this is my very first M2 casting which I bought. Just for the looks I actually bought, this rusted looks here. This looked really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test and see. Yeah, it rolls okay. So the rear wheel wobbles a lot actually. The front wheel is okay. But anyway, this is supposed to be a display model, not to be played with. So I'm fine with it. Let me just show you the engine bay one more time. So these castings are really hard to pop. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.